Hey guys, we are so excited. The weekend is finally here. We are at home here in Eugene, Oregon, and we're getting ready to start our weekend.
We have so many fun things planned this weekend, starting with a Friday night family dinner.
If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can join us on future adventures.
We are headed to one of our favorite Mexican restaurants called Los Amigos.
It's some of the best Mexican food here in Eugene. We like it a lot and we eat here quite often. I got a chicken and chili relleno dish with some tortillas that I get a lot of times when I'm there. And it was great. We haven't been there in a little bit and it was nice to be back. Los Dos Amigos is one of our family favorites.
I got the chicken strips and french fries like I always do and I've never got sick of it.
I had the burro relleno, which is basically a burrito with chili relleno inside. It was very good as always. The salsa was just a little bit hotter than normal, I thought, but still very good. And overall, it was really nice to get out of the house and go out to dinner and not cook and not take care of any of that. So, success, I'd say. And my large beer was also very good.
When we got home, G and I decided to go for a quick soak in the hot tub before we all started watching a family show together.
Okay guys, we are gonna vote on who we think are gonna win. It's down to the final two, Alex and Daphne. First of all, I vote Daphne.
I think it's obvious that Alex is gonna win big time.
You said that about Summer and she left 15 minutes after you said that. Mom, who do you think is gonna win? Who do you think is gonna win? Alex?
I'm going Daphne.
It's 3 hours before the final dinner service.
Alex is totally gonna win. He beat Daphne really bad.
Yeah, right. Daphne's gonna win. I'll vote to get wrecked.
Uh-oh! What? Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
How?
Oh!
Anything you'd like to say?
Where are you going?
You are being a sore winner.
This happening.
Bragger.
My life started long. I was told that.
Good morning, guys. We got a lot of fun stuff planned for today. I'm gonna play with a new drone that I got recently, my DJI Avata. I think G and I are gonna go play some basketball together, so that should be fun. I'm also gonna try out a new 360 camera that I got on an extended selfie stick. So I'm playing with some new toys today. And then tonight, Angie and I are going on a great date night to kind of celebrate Valentine's Day this week. We're going out for a great dinner and then a movie. And the girls are gonna get to hang out with my brother and my sister-in-law and spend some quality time with them. So that should be great too. All right, so this is the DJI Avata that I got recently, and it's an FPV style drone. So instead of like aerial shots that are really beautiful of scenery and stuff, this does more like first person view where it cuts through tight areas. One thing that's a little bit different, you wear these goggles while you're flying it around, so that's taken a little bit of getting used to.
You're not going outside like that, are you?
What? Why not?
You look really ridiculous, Dad. Tell me you have a weird dad without telling me you have a weird dad.
right, so we are getting ready to have some lunch. I am gonna reheat Gia's chicken tenders that she had at the restaurant last night. And then I'm gonna have some pot stickers that I get from Costco. If you guys have never tried these pot stickers out, check them out, they're pretty good. Lately, I've been having a bunch of this hoisin sauce. It's really good. It goes really good with things like dumplings and steamed pork buns and things like that.
I looked up best corny dad jokes because you're a dad, you have to laugh. And the best one was, how do you follow Will Smith in the snow? You follow the Fresh Prince. Hey guys, me and my dad are about to go play basketball, so watch me win!
Hey guys, so we are heading down to the park. We're gonna shoot some baskets, play some games of basketball. We are here at Brewer Park, and it's got a nice playground here that Gia likes to come over and hang out at. She's a little bothered today because the seesaw looks like it's out on leave right now, but she ran straight for the structures. I think maybe she's a little nervous about the basketball game, so she's trying to avoid it. And there is the field of battle. Good job, Gia.
Nice one. Ready for an old-fashioned beatdown, old man?
Okay, so we're starting our game to 21 here. Ooh, and Gia's off to a tough start.
Let's see if you do it in your first shot. Dang it.
Jeez, what are you trying to do to me? Okay, so it's now 5-4. Gia has come roaring back to take the lead.
Is Dad gonna catch back up or lose more? Ooh, last loser.
All right, it's now 8-8, and it's Gia's shot. It's been a back and forth contest so far. Oh.
Don't win.
What do you mean? You want me to lose on purpose?
No, I'm encouraging you to not win. If you purposely did not win, that would be cheating. It's 19-11. If my dad wins this shot, he wins the game. No!
All right, so we finished playing basketball, and it's not really important who won and lost. It was just the fun that we had playing the game. The most important thing for me is that when we're doing activities like this, that I teach grace and sportsmanship and teamwork to my children, because those are such important qualities to possess as you move forward with life.
Hi. You guys don't. Dad doesn't know where I am. I can see Dad, but he can't see me.
So the other new toy I've gotten, I've been playing around with 360 cameras a little bit lately. I'm trying to learn how to use it a little bit before the summer season starts so that I can use it out on the water on the boat. So this is my Insta360 X3. And besides getting really good 360 footage, you can also do some really cool edits with it that make it a lot of fun to use as well.
What you doing?
I have my new 360 camera on the extended selfie stick, and I'm gonna go for a bike ride with it.
How long does it extend?
Check this out. Check out how far this goes.
You're not going around the neighborhood like that, right?
Oh, yes I am.
Dad, you're embarrassed. You're gonna embarrass more than yourself.
Hey guys, so it is Saturday night and Angie and I are getting ready to go out on a nice date night. We're going to a fancy meal at a place we haven't been to before called Cafe Med that we're excited to try out. Then we're going to go see the new M. Night Shyamalan movie right after that. So it should be a really cool night together. The kids have my brother Scott and my sister-in-law Debbie coming over, and they're all going to have dinner and do an art night. All right, so this is Cafe Med. Well, first impressions, the ambiance in here is really nice and the menu looks great. So far, Cafe Med seems like a really cool place. The first thing we ordered is the frito misto, which is fried calamari and fried shrimp. It looks really good.
Check out the lemon. It's wrapped in some kind of cheesecloth so you don't lose seeds when you put it on your calamari. I'm pretty impressed.
The next thing we ordered is the caprese salad, which is something we normally get at Italian restaurants. This came looking a lot more authentic than the typical way we see it. And the mozzarella was in large chunks, and it is the most moist, fresh mozzarella I think I've ever had. I ordered the pork scallopini with a side of mashed potatoes and a side of asparagus, and it looks really good.
I ordered the fried gnocchi with a side of asparagus, and it looks amazing. My dinner was really good. I really enjoyed the calamari. My dinner itself, like the entree, was very, very good. The gnocchi was wonderful. I added the asparagus, which is a fabulous choice because it was pretty rich.
My pork scallopini was absolutely delicious. The mushroom marsala sauce on top of it was incredible. The food was amazing. The ambiance inside there is incredible. I think it is definitely a restaurant that's going to become one that we go to on a regular basis at this point. I would highly recommend Cafe Med for any of you guys here in the Eugene area. We're going to drive to the movie theater now and go catch the movie.
No, I think you got it in focus. Good job, huh?
Hey, Uncle Scott, tell me what you're doing.
I am cutting up a pizza.
What are you doing?
These are my brother's pizza cutter. And I now know what I'm going to get my brother for Christmas.
Okay, see, this is my schoolwork, obviously. I'm supposed to be annotating.
You misspelled school.
I did?
No, you didn't.
Uncle Scott.
Is it a Disney princess?
No.
Is it a human?
No.
Is it the person from Turning Red?
That's not your turn.
Oh, I forgot.
Hey guys, so we just got back from our date night, and Angie, how did you enjoy going out tonight?
It was good. I really liked dinner. Dinner was fabulous. The movie was pretty good. M. Night Shyamalan, a little iffy on. It was good. It was entertaining, but it definitely was a little bit slow at times, even though it was kind of a thriller.
Yeah, I liked the movie a lot. I like M. Night Shyamalan, and it felt like one of his older movies to me, which I liked a lot more. So I thought the movie was good. I'd give it maybe like a 4 out of 5 stars. And the dinner, I'd give a 5 out of 5. The dinner was incredible. So we had a great time. It was really good spending some time together and going out on a date night. Hey, good morning, guys. So we had a great day yesterday. It was just packed full of so much fun stuff to do. And today's going to be a little bit more chilled out. I need to do some editing this morning. And then at 11 o'clock, I'm going to go see the new Avatar movie with my brother, which should be super cool. So I'm super excited about that. All right, guys, so we are back here at the movie theater. It's kind of crazy. I haven't come to a movie in about 4 months. And then last night, Angie and I did for our date night. We came and saw Knock at the Cabin. And my brother Scott and I have been wanting to catch Avatar before it leaves the theaters. We tried to go with the family, but nobody wants to sit in a theater for 3 hours. They all just kind of want to wait for it to come to TV at home. But my brother and I wanted to make sure that we get to see it in the theater on the big screen. It seems like Avatar is one of those movies that you absolutely want to see in 3D in the theaters. So we'll see how it is. All right, here's my brother Scott, and we got matching large popcorns and large soft drinks, just the way Smiths are supposed to. All right, so we just got done seeing Avatar, Way of the Water. I'm here with my brother Scott. What'd you think about the movie?
Good movie. Better than the first one.
Yeah, I thought the movie was good. The visual effects were really good. The story was good. It seemed about as good as the first one. It's long, for sure. It's a James Cameron movie, and he's proud of the movies he makes. So it was 3 hours long, and it felt 3 hours long, but it was a really good movie, and I'm excited to see the next one that comes out too. Thank you so much for joining us this weekend. If you've gone to any of the places that we went or saw any of the movies that we saw this weekend, please leave your comments below. I'd love to know what you guys think about them. And please follow us on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you liked our video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to show our channel your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so that you can be notified when future videos come out. Thanks for joining us, and we sure hope you're doing something fun today to fill your bucket. Take care.